Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Group. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is area of triangle part 2. In area of triangle part 1 we have done how can we find area of right triangle. Okay, so formula and question we have done. Now today we are going to explain equilateral triangle. Let us see. So in part 2 equilateral triangle. So first of all we have to know what is equilateral triangle. So see, so any triangle having three sides is called equilateral triangle whose all sides are equal. So any triangle whose all sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. So this is the ABC triangle. Suppose this is A, and this is A. So any triangle having all three sides equal is equilateral triangle. So now we have to know what is area of this equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is what? Root 3 by 4 into side square. So here side is A, so we can write root 3 by 4 A square. In the same way, if we want perimeter, so this is perimeter of equilateral triangle is what? That is 3 into side. So area of triangle root 3 by 4 side is square. Perimeter of equilateral triangle, that is 3 into side. In the same way, suppose we are drawing perpendicular from the vertex A to the opposite side. That is AD is perpendicular on BC. So it is what? Height. Okay, na? So height, just divide the perpendicular from the vertex of the equilateral triangle, just divide the opposite side in the two equal parts. So this is AD, total is A, so we can do right, this is what? Only A by 2, right? So we need H. So this is the height of equilateral triangle. So height of equilateral triangle, that is H equal to what? So we are finding here H. So this is ABCD is what? Equilateral triangle, where this is perpendicular, this is the base and this is hypotenuse. So we know the formula, that is perpendicular equal to what? That is hypotenuse square, that is what here? AB. So this is AB square and minus what? BD square root under. So AB is what? A. So this is A square and BD is what? A by 2. So this is what? A by 2 S square. So we can write here A square minus A square by 4 and here 1. So if you want to solve this, so here 4 and 1. So this is 4A square minus A square. So we'll get what? 3A square. So this is 3A square by 4 root under. So square root of 3A square by 4 is what? So this is A square A and 4 2 and this is 3 only 1. So then you can write root 3 multiply A upon 2. That means root 3A by 2 is our height. Okay. So now area formula root 3 by 4 side square, perimeter formula 3 into side, and height formula is what? Root 3 by 2 into A. That means you can write root 3 by 2 into what? Side. Side into root 3 by 2. So if we need side, so that depends upon what is given. If area is given, then you can find from the first formula, that is 4 into area upon root 3 and total. If it is given perimeter, then you can find directly, that is what? Perimeter upon 3. So if perimeter of equilateral triangle given, just divide by 3, you will get side. Okay. And suppose it is given what? Height. So if it is given height, then from this formula you can find 2 multiply height. That is 2 multiply H by root 3. 2 into height by root 3. So we have three formula for side of equilateral triangle. When it is given area, so 4 multiply area by root 3. If it is given that is perimeter, so we can write perimeter by 3. And if it is given height, then you can write 2 into height by root 3. So only from help of this basic formula, we can solve any type of question of the equilateral triangle. And there is some question which will be solved by the simple technique method. So after this, we are explaining different type of the questions of equilateral triangle. Now see type number 1 question. So type 1 question is what? If side of equilateral triangle is given 20 meter, then find first area, second perimeter and third height. So first we are finding area. So you know area of equilateral triangle is what? Root 3 by 4 side square, right? So we have to learn this formula. If you know this formula, we can solve this question very easily. So here it is given root 3 by 4, side given 20. So this is 20 square. So this is root 3 by 4 into 20 square is what? 400. And this cancel, you will get 100. So our correct answer is what? 100 root 3 meter square is the right answer. But if suppose you not in option, then we can write 100 multiply. Root 3 is what? 1.732. So we are multiplying 1.732 by 100. So just move the decimal in right side after 2 digits. So this decimal will come here. So correct answer will be what? 173.2 meter square. So both are, this is correct answer and this is also correct answer. Now you see the second part. Second part we have to find perimeter. So perimeter of equilateral triangle, you know what? That is 3 into side. Side given 20, so this is 3 into 20, that is what? 60 meter. In the same way, this is the third part, we are finding height. So height of equilateral triangle formula is what? Root 3 by 2 into side. So side already given 20. So we can use this root 3 by 2 into 20. So this is cancelled, we will get what? That is 10 root 3. So 10 root 3 meter is our right answer. Suppose it is not given in option, then we can put the value of root 3. So you know value of root 3 is what? 1.732. So when we multiply this number by 10, this decimal move 1 digit right side. So we'll get what? 17.32 meter. In this way, we have solved all the 3 part of this question. So this all questions are based on direct formula. If you know the formula, you can solve this question very easily.